All right, what up, y'all? I'm with my boy Cam. We already checked the minnow trap. We had 3 in there. We're finna bait it back up, and we're finna just go fish. Try and catch us some minnows. All right, y'all. We got our fish basket. We got 5 minnows in the bucket right now, but we're trying to catch some more. So we're finna throw our little fish basket out right there, and I'll tune y'all back in later. See if we got anything in there. We got our second spot. This is like my favorite spot to fish at. I ain't even gonna lie. This shit's so damn pretty, bro. Like every time I come here, bro. But once we get down there, I'm gonna show y'all.
I tried to tell them, I was like, this way people do tricks. And
Oh, that was a fatty. Got him. Ooh, no. Cam is over there going crazy, bro. He just pulled out like 3 in a row. Look at that chunker. Oh, yeah. Ripping lips. That is a fish bucket. That's a bucket of minnows right there. A sturdy bucket of minnows. Oh, I had one.
I ain't gonna lie, I watched them smack that motherfucker too. I seen a whole bunch of little ones.
Yeah, and then like that fat one to come up, and that's how it looked when that fat one smacked mine.
He just smacked
He
it.
came up and whacked it.
I didn't know he had it. I was like, hold on, you don't know grab it. I had to drag it.
Oh, that's a fatty. That's a fatty. That is a fatty. I beat you. I beat you. I beat you. That's a fatty. Look at that right there. Beautiful fish. Let me get a thumbnail. Ugh. He's feisty. Oh yeah. He's good. Alright, y'all, this is the end of the video. We ended up getting about 15 minnows, but if you guys do enjoy content like this, please hit that like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.